Hi, welcome to another episode of My Home, My Sale Homeowners Corner. Today we're going to be talking about the 15 ways to make money from owning a home. Are you looking to maximize the potential of your property investment? Owning a home can be a lucrative financial endeavor, offering various avenues to generate income or access funds. Whether you're a homeowner, an investor, or looking to enter the real estate market, here are 15 ways to make money from owning a home. Number one, a traditional home sale. One of the most common methods is selling your home at a profit. By monitoring the real estate market and timing your sale, you can earn a substantial return on your investment. Fix and flip. For the do-it-yourself enthusiast or investor, purchasing homes that need renovation, improving them, and then selling for a higher price is a popular strategy. This method can generate quick profits with the right skills and resources. Rental income. Renting your property to long-term tenants can provide a steady stream of income. Ensure your rental agreement aligns with local regulations and property management is efficient. Airbnb or short-term rentals. If your property is located in a tourist-friendly area, you can capitalize on the short-term rental market. Platforms like Airbnb make it easier than ever to attract travelers and generate income. Room rentals. If you have extra space, consider renting out individual rooms to tenants. This can be a viable option for homeowners looking for consistent income without committing to long-term leases. If you already own a home, take out a home equity loan or second mortgage. Tap into your home's equity by taking out a home equity loan or second mortgage. These options allow you to access cash for investments, home improvements, or other financial needs. Owner financing. Sell your property using an owner financing agreement. This flexible option can attract buyers who can't secure traditional mortgages, providing you with regular payments and interest income. Home-based business or office. Transform part of your home into a home office or space for a small business. You can generate income while benefiting from potential tax deductions. Energy savings or solar panels. Invest in energy efficient upgrades like solar panels. Not only can you reduce your own energy bills, but you may also qualify for incentives or sell excess energy back to the grid. Storage rental. If you have extra space, such as a basement or garage or a large yard, consider renting it as storage. Many people are willing to pay for secure storage options, especially in urban areas. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate crowdfunding platforms that allow you to pool resources with other to purchase properties. This can provide a share of rental income or profits from property appreciation. Lease option or rent to own. Offer your property through a lease option or rent to own agreement. This allows tenants to rent with the option to buy, potentially securing a higher sales price and earning income through rent. Refinancing. If interest rates drop significantly, consider refinancing your mortgage to lower monthly payments, freeing up the cash for investments or debt repayment. Host events or workshops. If your home has a unique or spacious layout, you can host events, workshops, or even fitness classes. Renting out your space for such purposes can be a creative way to generate income. Sell development rights. If you own a large piece of land, you might consider selling development rights to builders or developers. This can provide an immediate cash injection without selling the entire property. Each of these strategies has its advantages and considerations, but before pursuing any, it's essential to research and plan thoroughly, consult with a financial advisor, and ensure you comply with local laws and regulations. With strategic thinking and the right approach, owning a home can be a versatile and profitable asset. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening to another episode of My Home, My Sale.